First, I would like to start with a word called what is website. What is a website? Website is a page, web page, or collection of web pages. But if it is a collection of web pages, how do you access one page after another page? That means you go to first page, that is home page. After that, you go to about us page. How do you go there? You open the folder and go there, but it is on web browser. So linking from one page to another page is very important. Am I correct? So for that linking, HTML is providing an element just like H1, just like button. There is another element called anchor tag. A, it will come with A. A is an element which will create the links, so that if you click on that link, it will go to another page. If you click on another link, it will go to another page. What is this process called as? Navigation. This is called navigation. I am navigating from one page to another page to another page. Okay. So such kind of things we have to create it today. Point number one. So that we make our website. So that we develop our website. Are you ready? Yes. So here, generally what do we do is we'll create a page that is called as home.html. So I'm creating the page HTML head. Let us have the head, body. Inside the body, I'm writing H1. This is my home page. So I save it and I click on go live. So it will open it on the browser. So we got home page. So far clear? No questions? I will create one more page. That page is called as about us.html. Okay. So again, I will create the complete HTML page. In the body, I am writing one more H1 that is called, this is about us. DT. This is about us. Save. So how to go there? Yeah, of course, again, I can stop the current server and again I can go to live. That is okay. Now this is going to about us page, but not like this. From home page to about us page on a link click. So I should have a link in the home page. Are you getting me? Yeah. How to create a link in the home page? With the anchor tag. Concentrate here. I am going back to home page. Here I am creating a link. So go to about us. So this will not make any home page. Okay, 1 second. I'll start from here. I'll close all the tabs. Don't. Okay. This is about us. Sorry, home page. And I want to make this as clickable link. Is it clickable? No. No. I just wrote it just like that. So what I should do? I had to create an anchor tag A with an attribute called href. Without this attribute, that means you should say, right, on the clicking this, where you would like to go. That is very much important, right? So I will cut it and I'll put it in the anchor tag inside the element, not in the href. Href is to give the address. Hello. Href attribute is for giving the address. So now just see, save it and see the output. Now it is like a clickable link. When I move my mouse, it is also showing the pointer, hand pointer, clickable. So if I click on that, it's not going anywhere. Why? You did not say anything to that. You have to inform, right? Where to go. I have to say http colon double slash go to hell.com. Let us see whether it is there or not. Save. When I click on it, it is go. So, guys, if it is bad, I'm very sorry. Okay, luckily nothing has come. Okay, no, Facebook, bhaiya. So, anyways, when I click on it, it's navigating to another page, some other page. Very good. But I don't want some other page, some other website page. Within our own computer, I want to go to another file. So give directly the name of the file. That is about us.html. Save. And when I click on the link, now it will go to about us page. Understood this? Did you like it? Yes, linking from one page to another page. That is about it. Right, guys. Right. But this is about linking from one page to another page. And there is one more attribute. That is, along with the A, you have an attribute called target. Target is equal to, you can give blank, parent, self, and top. I'm giving you blank. Save. And let me open my page. When I click on that, what is the difference you have observed? It is opening in a new tab. Have you seen this? Mir observe cheyal mari. When I click on it, it is opening in a new tab. So for that, what is the attribute you have to do? Target. Remaining things are actually not for you. That is for frames and all. Don't worry. Leave about it. If you want to open it in a new tab, use the target prop attribute and use the value underscore, come on, underscore blank. Am I clear to you? Now start working on that. Now, next. So let us not give this target is equal to blank. Next. In some situations, when we have very lengthy page, we have to go from one place to another place. Am I correct? Have you ever observed that? Within the page, within the big page, you have to navigate from one page to another page. One place to another place. Top, bottom, or some other place, something like that. First, I would like to demonstrate that also. I would like to demonstrate that as well. Okay, this is called navigating within the same page. For that, first of all, let us create that content. Let us create the content. So here, I would like to use Edupoly. Edupoly in చెప్తా. Praveen Gubbala. So you can have so many reviews on Praveen Gubbala. Okay. See, because this is all going. Okay. Copy. H1. Hey, sorry. Here. H1. Sandeep review. Paragraph. Okay, this is Sandeep review. Next, H1. Yeah, I know. I'm taking your time. This is the review from Akhilesh. within 1 month he got the job in TCS. Highlight asala. Okay. Candidate Katti candidate. Okay. So here Sandeep review, Akhilesh review. Okay. Right. So let us do few more things so that you will understand H1. Please be నేను రాయించుకునే కదండి. నేను రాయించుకున్నాను, ఆ ప్లేస్ చూపిస్తలేదు. Okay, my home page is ready. Right. So there are so many reviews. Okay. So here I want to see the Anji review. So I would like to keep a link here. If I click on it, it should go to Anji's review. Okay. Let me increase the same thing but more size. Chepta why I need this. Okay, so this is Sandeep review. After some time, Akhilesh review, Pragna's review, and Anji's review. Okay. You have this kind of lengthy pages, isn't it? So how can I do that? So here I would like to have a HR, horizontal line. One more HR, horizontal line. And here H3 reviews. This is all not necessary, but I'm just putting in it, right? You are not confused, right? Yeah, I'm taking it in LIs. Okay, sorry. So I would like to create a href and I want to go to Anji review. Anji. But when I click on it, where should I go? Anji's review. So where is the Anji review? Very below here it is H1. So what do I do is for this H1, I will create an ID that is called as ANJ. Imagine. Okay. What is ID? ANJ. So this can be uniquely identified by this program, this particular page. So this ID, whatever the ID I have given, that ID has to be provided here with a hash. The H1 ID I have given to href with a hash. So when I click on the Anji, it will check href and it will see there is a hash. So it will check in the same page for the ID, which is an ANJ. Understood this? So save it and of course refreshed. Now if I click on Anji, what will happen? Directly it is going to Anji. The same way I want to go to Pragna. What I should do? Same ante SAME. మాకైతే తప్పదమ్మా. I know you already aware of it, but వీళ్ళైతే ఇట్లనే అడగాలి. నేను చెప్పు ఎక్కడ ఐడి ఈక్వల్ టు So this kind of mistakes they do. Okay, I had to give ID, that you remember. But where to give ID? The place, the H1 where you need the ID. So I'll go to the Prajna. ID is equal to DD. Nice term. Okay. So the ID is DD. What is the second next step? I'll create a href. I have to give hash DD and save. Now you see, if I click on Anji, it goes to Anji. If I click on Prajna, it goes to Prajna. Hello, the page is now started with Prajna. Understood? This is what called linking in the same page. How is that? But you should derive some motivation. Is it really happens in the websites? Yes. Let us see. Bootstrap themes single page. Yes, of course, you have to, you should do so many other things also. It is not the final solution. So when I click on portfolio, see, it directly came up to portfolio. Hello. So when I click on services, it should go to services. When I click on about us, it go to about us. Services, team, blog. It is other part. Okay. Another page it opened. When I click on home, directly onto the top. When I click on contact, right? But you found some animation. I'm sorry. In the same page, it is going from top and bottom, linking. Right? But it is more beautiful than whatever we have done. It's not only about structure, the animation, the way it is going, it's not striken up. It's not direct. You need some animations to be added using CSS, Bootstrap, and jQuery JavaScript. There are other technologies also we need. Okay. Don't indulge into this. Yes, we can do it, but only if you complete JavaScript, then come to this kind of animations. Okay. Whatever the CSS basics you need, you just do it. But more focus should be on JavaScript. This is, but without having the knowledge, if you go there, it will be a water biscuit. Not even biscuit. It's a water biscuit. Okay. Chalo. I hope you understood what is anchor tag. What is anchor? Right? What is link? Used for navigation. Now, very good. But one thing, when I click on about us, it is going to about us page. When I click on about us, it is going to about us page. But again, to come back to the home page, I have to come back to the home page, right? How? I have to click on back button. Suppose if I have 10-15 pages. 10-15 times backspace. Is it really good? We need some better alternate here, right? We need a nav bar kind of thing. Okay, I'm coming to that. But what is nav? I'll show you. I'll come back to that. But here we go. The point is, most of the websites will have, for example, here we go. When I click on Java, it feels like it is the same page. It feels like it is the same page, but unfortunately it is not the same page. One more new page got loaded here. When I click on Bootstrap, it loads another page. Okay, this is another Python. You feel like these two things are same, right? These two things have not been reloaded. అది ఎట్లా కనపడుతుంది? రెండు అట్లనే ఉన్నాయి అన్నట్టు కనపడుతుంది. But what is the reality? No, 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 no. These two are recreated. These two are recreated. Saraswati, Bhargavi, anybody? How is my voice? Is everything fine?
Yeah, it is fine.
Is there any breaking or lag? మీ వాయిస్ అయితే బాగానే ఉంది.
Sometimes there is some lag, but it is okay.
Okay, thank you, Saraswati. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is my point here? Every time I am loading the same page. Sorry, every time I am changing the page, but the top navbar is looking like it is there exactly. That means it is not getting modified, but unfortunately not like that. Every time the header is always same. Look, I mean to say, in both the pages, when I click on Python here, can you see here? Are you able to? I'm able to increase the size of this, but not this part. Here it is default.asp. Java/default.asp. When I click on Python, what it is saying? Python/default.asp. This is actually a different page, guys. This is an HTML page. It is not the same page. When I click on HTML, it loads HTML/default ASP page. It is a different page, but it looks like same in the sense these things are not matched, not changed, but only the HTML contents are changing. But sir, how to identify that? I want a shortcut. Okay, don't worry. We can have a shortcut. That is here. Observe this place. Reload icon. When I click on Python, oh, no. It is such a quick thing, so you are unable to identify it. I did see this. Now you can identify. Can you see that? Have you understood the point? Sometimes you are unable to see that animation. I mean, it is so quickly, you don't even understand that. But actually what is happening? All the whole page is reloading. Okay. But there are certain cases where you don't, I mean, actually that will not be reloaded. For example, Flipkart. They will not reload. For example, are you ready to see that? See here, when I click on Realme, actually the page will not reload. Only this particular part will be data changed. This particular part data is changed. When I click on Vivo, this particular part data is getting changed. Only data. It is not even changing the navbars home page. I mean to say that header part. Is it really that needed? Very much. Every page, if you keep on reloading, browser will die. how much load will be taken by the browser? Okay, so you need a better solution. Ultimately, we are reaching to that. Okay, ultimately, we are reaching those websites or web applications which will not reload are called as single page web applications. Only one page will be loaded. All the styling, HTML templates, everything will be there already. Only the data will be keep on changing. I repeat, only the data will be keep on changing. This is called single page application. That is what we have to achieve. That we will be achieving in JavaScript, React, not now. Now we are going to see multi-page websites, which will change, but it look like same. I mean to say it is not actually changing. Okay, I'll show you how do I do that. Okay, here I generally see. I'll create 2-3 pages. Email Vilas. I'll create another page called contact us.html. So in the home page, these hrefs are there, right? I'll create. Yeah, here I'll make home.html, contact us.html, about us.html. My home, about our team, contact for classes. So I have created 3 links. If I save it and I see the output, it looks like this. It's a continuous thing. Okay, I want to give some spaces. So in HTML, if you want to give a space, ampersand NBSP. But don't use it. We have to follow some other technique. Ampersand NBSP, ampersand NBSP is not a good approach. Once you reach the CSS, we can avoid that, okay? But only for time being, I am showing you this. Hello. The navbar is there, right? And I would like to remove this home page, okay? So that it actually feels like it's a navbar on the top. Okay. So now when I click on my home, that means it will be there here only. When I click on about our team, it goes to another page. Now I want to come back. Now I want to come back to home page, or I want to go to contact us page. If I want to contact us page, then what I should do? I had to first go back and then home page, and then I had to click contact us for classes. It's bad, right? So in every page, I want those 3 links should be there so that I can go from any page to any other page. Have you got this point? Oh, sure. Okay. So I will go to the about us page. I'll go to the contact us page. Okay, HTML. Oh no, మంచిగా రాద్దాం. We'll have a complete thing. So now if I click on contact us or classes, I got the form. I'll fill the first name, phone number. I want React.js and submit. It will, I mean, that is what I want, but I want, see. Oh, we have already reached there. I forgot that. Okay. So now I am in home. If I click on about our team, it goes to, this is about us. Okay. But in that particular page also I have the same links so that I can directly go to the contact us. Sir, it looks like that header is not changing. Am I correct? It looks like in the same page, this particular part is getting changed. But what exactly is happening? The totally a new page is loading with the same header, isn't it? With the same navbar, completely a new page is getting loaded. That's why we are getting, like, I mean, we get the feel of it, but somehow I am surprised. This is, you are able to see that. Can you able to see here? When I click on about us, there is a very fractional blink. Okay. So finally, I just wanted to show you this particular part. This is not single page application because I am reloading a new page. Sir, what is your problem if you reload the application? Are you mad? Wait. First of all, when you are developing applications like banking applications, reloading a page is good. First of all, it will immediately stop it. So you can't reload the page. Point number one. Point number two. When you go to applications like, have you ever tried to fill your data in any website? ఎప్పుడైనా ఫిల్ చేశారా వెబ్సైట్ లో? ఎక్కడ చేసావు? గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ చేసావా? సరిపోతుంది. అక్కడ ఎన్ని ఫార్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి? హౌ మెనీ ఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? First you will fill one form. After that you have to fill another form. Yes or no? So if it is reloading, the old form data will be lost, right? This is if it is not saved in the database, old form data will be lost, gone up in the air. If you apply freelancer.com, if you apply naukri.com, if you apply TCS, you will have hundreds of forms, guys. One of my friends fed up with cognizant procedure. Fed up. Nowadays, it was too stupid. There are almost all 82 or 83 forms are there to fill. For experienced people, yes. He just left it. I don't want to do it. I'll go to some other company. What the hell is this? One form or two forms are okay. Background verification, medical verification, your educational qualification verification, previous companies. Yeah, because we are all 17, 18 years of experienced people. So obviously we have 8, 9 companies in our list. And of course, we have done a lot of freelance work and other stuff also. It will take, what is your BTech qualification? Fill the form details and upload your certificate by year wise. And no, I am not doing it. Then because the resource is very important, so HR said, okay, sir, we will release the letter, joining letter. Please, okay, just fill these forms and submit. And when you have time, then you do. I don't even want a single email on this because the employee is so important. So HR fill that bloody details. అట్లా ఉండాల. నువ్వు డిమాండ్లు ఉంటే హెచ్ఆర్లు ఫిల్అప్ చేసుకుంటాయి. నువ్వు డిమాండ్లో లేవనుకో, నువ్వు హెచ్ఆర్ కాళ్ళు ఎత్తాల. ఏది కావాలి మీకు? కాళ్ళొత్తుడా? యూ వాంట్ ఇన్ డిమాండ్, రైట్? రైట్ రైట్ అట్లా ఉండాలి. ఓకే. No, one day I will show you because the details are also there in that laptop. Vijay's details. Shit. Okay. Anyways, come back to the point. So where we are? Yeah, when we are reloading the page, the old data will go up in the air. So there also it will not work. Right? Second, one more thing. More than anything, browser is the most stupid software ever found in the world. ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు సార్? Everything is happening in the browser. No, there are hundreds, thousands of leaks in the browsers. Sir, చెప్పండి సార్. Android will be updated in 6 months or 1 year, right? Every week or every 2-3 days, do you get an update? No. Your Java will get the updates once in a year. Angular gets an update 6 months once. React will get 7 months or 5 months. Browser will get on hourly basis also sometimes. Security patch, you don't know because we are not even bothered about it. If you work in a company like AT&T or any secured based company, you don't use the actual latest browser. In fact, if you update and if you want to update the browser, you have to take the permission from them. Okay. The point is, it is not about how browser is stupid. The inside the browser, whatever the core engine or your JavaScript engines are there, they are stupid. Last year, somebody, there is a DT. There was a NASA experiment or some experiment got conducted with SpaceX. Elon Musk, SpaceX, right? SpaceX. Somebody wrote like this: SpaceX dashboards are now with JavaScript. So that was trolled in the Twitter like hell. What are you talking? How JavaScript can enter into the space? Don't believe in that. Such a stupid engine we had. We have still. It is truth. Because it loads so much. Hack kaadu, reliability. Some code may not work in some certain situations. And Chrome will use lot of resources. Browsers take lot of resources on your computer. It is not lightweight. If you open 4 to 5 browsers on your laptop will die. Die. Too much of heat will be generated. Chrome. Yeah, Dhritiman had a very good funny meme. So weather is too cold. So I would like to run an infinite loop in the Chrome and I'll sleep on. Isn't it? That is the thing, right? So it will generate such a temperature. So you just imagine how much load it will take. So definitely you should not encourage such thing. What should not encourage? Infinite loops or reloading or recreation. Now you don't know about JavaScript, right? JavaScript has hell lot of objects. JavaScript has to create all those objects again on every browser refresh. Even your DOM should be constructed. DOM means whatever the page is there, it should be constructed from the point 1 to last. Once again, on every refresh. If it is having complex logical work, then it's a problem. second problem is, if it has some infinite loop, it won't say anything. It will see like that. So anyways, guys, so don't go with the old monolithic approach of reloading the page. So what do we need? Those all headers should be there, same, only the content should be changed. So for that, we use JavaScript. And if you are able to achieve that without reloading the page, if you are able to switch between one page to another page, that is called as single page application. So for developing such single page applications, what we are using? React.js, Angular, Vue, Backbone, Ember, Knockout. ఇప్పుడు అవన్నీ నేర్చుకోవడానికి కూర్చోకు. Wait. Not even letters you learn. Spellings కూడా రావు. అన్ని నేర్చుకోవాలని ట్రై చేస్తే. Those many single page web application libraries are there in JavaScript. Even browser, Google is also taking little time. Okay, what I am searching for now. React, idigo. So here I said React, Vue, Angular, jQuery can also be used, Svelte, Ember, Backbone. I just only few. Meteor, I forgot that. Next. And they are backend frameworks. Anyways, my point is single page application frameworks are these. So too many frameworks are there. Okay, why? This is all for what? మనకి ఎందుకు కావాలి ఆ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్లు? సింగిల్ పేజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కోసం, టు డెవలప్ సింగిల్ పేజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్. ఓకే సార్, ఎవ్రీ డే టెక్నాలజీ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ చేంజ్, రైట్? ఇస్ ఇట్ ఫర్ గుడ్? మంచిదేనంటారా? మీకు మీ ఫీలింగ్ ఎట్లుంటుంది చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ వన్ టెక్నాలజీ, దే సే it is updated and write the latest code. You have to read the updated code and you have to write. Do you feel happy? Okay. Diplomatic answer enduku, direct చెప్పేద్దాం మన దాంట్లో ఉంది. So we are not feeling happy, right? In that case, if there are no changes, there will be a problem. ఎవరికి? మనకే. ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం అంటే, already those people who are Java developers, they already got the job, right? They are already working. Technology is not getting changed. They are already in the company and they are working. Then why do they recruit new people? Why do they recruit new people? Suppose, imagine every bloody mobile will be outdated after 2-3 years. Suppose if a mobile works for 10-20 years, do you purchase a new mobile? They intentionally make it faltu, right? Until and unless you try. So new technologies have to evolve, so that what is the whose benefit is that? होगा, देख लो. Saraswati, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you. Nice. Where we are? Single page application. New techno. Yeah, Saraswati.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So if we don't have new technologies, then we don't have the new jobs also. Thanks to new developers, thanks to new technology inventors. Yeah, you have little problem, but you don't have much problem. Like, I mean, experienced people don't have much problem like freshers. Freshers have to learn the latest with all the old versions. How difficult for them? You're already in the development, then you need to take 5 to 6 hours or okay 10 to 15 days you have to spend on it. Then hike, new location, new laptop, new team, new friends. So all these things are possible, right? So for that, cheers to latest technologies. We have to learn every latest possible. Ready? Shall we go ahead now? So like that, we have to understand what is single page application. So, sir, I will introduce this word single page application in 2 more times. When I speak about JavaScript, I'll talk about Ajax. I'll talk about single page once again. One more time, when it comes to React routing or Angular routing, there also I will explain about single page application. Are you getting me? Just keep the time. Now, let us last element I would like to discuss in this HTML sessions is image. What is that? Image. So you can keep an image of your interest in any of the web page by using an element called img. It's not omg, it's img. Okay, so img. So here img. In the img element, you have to, okay, main attribute is src. Src should be given with the address of your image. Okay. If you have the file in the same folder, then you directly give the name. No problem. But if you have the file in some other link, some other page, then you have to give the link. Okay. Now I will show you. So here, अरे हाँ हाँ आ रहा है क्या अभी आएगा इंडिया है so save. Okay, is the image here on my page? If the image is on online somewhere, suppose if I have that image in my local computer, this naughty fellow is my son. ठीक है हाँ thank God. Okay, I have saved that file in my computer in my folder itself. So now the name of the file is download.jpg. It's okay. And here instead of, okay, next img src download.jpg. Save. Here is my son. Okay, fine. But you can actually control. I want to see both the images with the same sizes. Right? You can see that. So here there is an attribute called width. The same way you can give width as so now both are coming in the same width, but height is not same. Hello. Width reduced to 100 pixel. Accordingly, height also resized. But if you want, you can put it as a okay. My image is not proportional, so it's not coming. That's okay. Okay. So anyways, so this is how the images can be used. But just so overall, this is what the HTML I want to give you. Okay. Advanced things are also there. I will give you through videos. I'll give you the content. I will ask you to do your own study and do the assignments. But this is what I wanted to give you. Now just for the next season, that means for tomorrow's class. Yes. Tomorrow we have a class on CSS. Okay. So I will take the class because from Monday I had to start the JavaScript. I don't want to delay that. Okay. So I am fine. Whatever the students are there, I am very happy for this. Chal. Okay. Dintoti manam Monday nunchi JavaScript start cheseskundaam. Let us put more time on important things, JavaScript. So tomorrow, sir, complete CSS will be completed into 1 day. Not even 1 day. Even 10 years is not sufficient to CSS. Forget it. Forget it. Knowing CSS is sufficient. Okay. Okay. I am not master or pro in JavaScript also, but comparatively, I am good in JavaScript than CSS. But I am better than many good designers. That I will tell later. Now, just to create the curiosity, only to create the curiosity, I want to make this in a rounded shape. Will it look good or not? Emma. So here I can apply a style. STYLE style is equal to border radius 10%. Just for the sake, 10% gives you smooth edges, corner edges. So if I make it to 50%, it will give you complete rounded. Understood? So like this, if you know the CSS, you can make it more better. If you know, I'll show you, I'll write it one more thing. I'm hungry, I'm angry, my tea is not yet ready, but still I want to add one more thing. That is, I want to put that division properly, that image properly. See, how do I do it? Where I don't want to apply the height. So it comes, okay, even I will remove the border radius just to give you a curiosity. I'm not going to ask you to do this assignment. How can I make it better? That's what my point is. Are you getting me? So here I'll apply this division. Width is equal to 100 pixels. Height is equal to 100 pixels. Okay. Let me apply one more thing. Oh, wait. What are style is equal to width is 100 pixels. Height is 100 pixels. Border is 2 pixel red. Sorry, 2 pixels solid red. What did you observe there? It's going beyond my boundary. I mean to say, see here, this image. Yes. So what I can do is, I'll remove the border now so that you feel. Yeah, it looks like it's okay, but actually not okay. It's overlapping it. Okay. So whatever the okay, whatever overriding, I can make it like overflow none. Actually, ఇప్పుడు తెలిసిపోతుంది ప్యాడింగ్ ఇస్తే. So margin 20x. So what happened? Overflow none is not working. No, it is not working. Overflow hidden. Okay, so you can keep it center also. We have multiple solutions, but I just wanted to show you some curiosity. Like this we can trim, cutting cheyochu. We can groom the hair. Oh no, sir. Burgundy. No. I'm just saying, like, okay, you can. Now if I apply border radius, even here also with 100 pixels, it is resized. So this is also properly given. Okay, guys, that's it. So tomorrow we are going to see very, very important aspect. Even if you are really a good CSS designer, don't miss the class tomorrow. There are certain things which are called selectors. Okay, we have to discuss them very perfectly. Okay, సిఎస్ ఇప్పుడు ఊరికే పాపం ఆయన రాజా ఏమో అనుకోవట్లే కదా నేను ఇట్లా నిన్ను టార్గెట్ చేస్తున్నానని. లేదు, టార్గెట్ చేయట్లే, నేను అంతే. ఈవెన్ మై సెల్ఫ్, వన్స్ యు ఆర్ ఎంటర్డ్ ఇన్ టు డెవలప్మెంట్, you will be very much cornered with your own practices. You don't get the view sight of everything. ఏమంటారు, మనం ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే చేస్తూ ఉంటాం, మిగతా నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. నిజమైతే, రైట్? సో in CSS also people think like, yes, we know, but all those things will not work. For example, can you create drop downs in CSS without bootstrap? Drop downs, when I move my mouse, it should drop down. Yes, it's possible. Nested drop downs is possible. Such beautiful things we are going to do it tomorrow. Just to create curiosity, I just dropped it. Okay, have 1992 scam background music and be ready for tomorrow. Okay, guys, I hope all of you are now in the group. Have I added you all in the group? Anybody is missing? Rajesh, I think you are missing. Okay, I got it. Sai Kiran, Rajesh, I will add you, don't worry. Sai Kiran, please ping me on my WhatsApp so that I can add you in the group. Bhargavi, Saraswati, Naveen are there already. Sumant, I think Sumant, Srikanth are also there. Okay, chalo guys, tomorrow what we are seeing? CSS. Ready? Chalo, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.